Hi, I'm Sarah, the creator of the ADHD Ally Planner. As someone with ADHD, I know firsthand how tough it can be to stay organized and motivated. That's why I created this planner, to be the ultimate ally for ADHD brains like ours. This video, I'll show you how to use the planner, navigate its features, and make it work for you. Let's start with navigation, because I wanted this planner to be as easy as possible to use. You'll notice monthly tabs on every page. These take you directly to the monthly calendar, where you can navigate to weekly and daily pages effortlessly. No more endless scrolling or feeling lost. You'll always know exactly where to go. The main homepage is where you'll see all the sections like goals, ADHD tools, everyday life, self-care, finances, and more. Click on any section, and it takes you to a dedicated menu where you can select the templates you need. Most templates also have a back arrow in the top left corner, so you can return to the previous section quickly. At the top right corner, you'll find the quick menu, your shortcut to your favorite sections. No scrolling, no stress. Everything is designed to be smooth, intuitive, and ADHD-friendly, so you can focus on what matters. You'll also notice clickable icons or buttons on certain templates. These take you to helpful examples or more information. For instance, if you're unsure how to break down your goals, just click the rainbow button at the bottom for a filled-out example. There's even a back button to return to the blank template. This planner is designed to be ADHD-friendly and totally guilt-free. You don't need to use every single template, just choose the ones that work for you. Let me walk you through some of the key sections so you know where to start. First up is the goals section, which is one of my favorites. It's all about helping you break your big dreams into smaller, manageable steps. There's a 6-step system in place, and I guide you through each one so it doesn't feel overwhelming. Then there are the ADHD tools, packed with strategies specifically designed for neurodivergent minds. Whether you need help staying focused, managing distractions, or making decisions, this section has practical tools to support you. Next is everyday life. This is where you'll find templates to help you stay organized. Think routines, task trackers, and checklists to keep daily life running smoothly without the chaos. Of course, I couldn't forget self-care. Taking care of your mental and emotional well-being is so important, and this section has tools like mood trackers and calming exercises to help you check in with yourself. And then we have finances. I know budgeting and managing money can feel tough, so I included simple, easy-to-use templates to help you track your savings and stay on top of expenses. On top of all that, you'll also find notebooks, checklists, and a yearly overview to keep everything in one place. And here's a little bonus. Look out for the brain icons. They'll take you to the quick start guide or give you insights into the science behind this planner. It's all here to support you in a way that works for your brain. No pressure, no guilt, just tools to help you thrive. You'll likely spend the most time in the daily and weekly sections. Weekly page helps you set priorities and reflect on progress. The daily page is perfect for task planning, using Pomodoro timers, and practicing gratitude, affirmations, and self-acceptance. This layout has been a lifesaver for me as a busy mom and entrepreneur. It truly works. Here are a few tips for getting started. Start small. You don't need to use every section right away. Set a 5-minute timer to plan your day. It's a simple way to build the habit. And most importantly, if you miss a day or week, that's okay. This planner is designed to support you without guilt. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video helps you feel confident about using your ADHD Ally Planner. It's been a game changer for me, and I can't wait to see how it works for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and check out our website for more resources. You've got this.